Most people think you have to choose between who you are at work and who you are at home. I think that's rubbish. I'm Jeff. By day I'm in a suit, mostly in meetings or in a boardroom, and whilst the job takes me to some pretty amazing places around the world, this channel is all about what I do outside of the suit. By night, I'm trying to figure out why my 1956 Landrover thinks starting is optional, why my Porsche sounds like it's having an existential crisis, or why I thought installing a pool myself was a good idea. Here's the thing, whether you're troubleshooting a seized gearbox, building a deck that won't collapse, hunting down classic cars in foreign countries, or solving problems at work, it's the same skill set. Patience, logic, persistence, and accepting that sometimes things will go wrong. Now, I'm not a mechanic. I don't have a trade background, and half the time I'm making it up as I go. But with the help of friends, fellow YouTubers, and Mrs. SuitByDay, along with plain stubbornness, when something breaks, I know you can actually fix it with your hands, even if it takes 3 attempts and a few choice words. The channel isn't about having it all figured out, it's about figuring it out as we go. Join us for car restorations, car rides, car meets, automotive adventures from around the world, DIY home builds, those 2 AM parts orders, and yes, learning from every mistake along the way. Subscribe if you're ready to prove that passion and profession don't have to be separate pursuits. And fair warning, things will go wrong, I'll probably swear, but we're all going to learn something unexpected along the way. Welcome to the channel. Come along for the ride. Now let's go and get our hands dirty.